Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, what you want to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'll be using settings as an example for this, but obviously you can open up virtually almost any kind of application that you want to screenshot. There is there's a couple applications that will deny you the option to capture a screenshot. When you try to do it, it will give you basically some message that it's blocked, but the majority of the applications don't have that kind of annoying thing. So anyway, once you have the content open, whichever one you want to capture, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. So I'm gonna do it right now. It actually looks like we need to click them, so just simple click. There we go. As you can see, the border is kind of lit up, and you have this option at the bottom. So we have several different options. We can capture a scrollable one, we can edit, we can tag it, and we can share it. And I went with the settings window as an example for this because I do have the option to scroll down on it. And this actually brings me to another option, which is the scrollable screenshot. So once you have screenshot captured and you can actually scroll the content down like the settings, you can click on this button or completely miss it like I just did. So let's do it again. So you can click on it. This will scroll down a little bit. You can keep on clicking on it however far down I want to. And once I'm done, I can just kind of disregard it, and I believe it just goes away. Or not. Let's see. Yep, so just clicking on the side seems to fix it. Now additionally, as you've seen, the phone does kind of scroll in like these jumps, which I do have to admit is one of the crappier ways of capturing a scrollable screenshot, and Samsung, for whatever reason, went with this. Cheap Chinese phones do it way better than this, so yeah. So as an example, if you have captured a screenshot and it does go too far down, further than you want it to, what you will have to do is, I believe you can interact with it, and from here, actually not from here, my bad, let's try it again. Some kind of thing. Okay, so there we go. I believe right here, when we click on this, yep, it will allow us to shrink it. So what you probably most of the time want to do if you want to stop at a specific point is overshoot that point and then kind of scroll, just crop the screenshot to the point that you want to, and you can then save it. Now, all the screenshots that I have just captured can be found in our gallery. You can see there they are. So we have this one, which is the cropped version. Then we have the uncropped version, another scrollable screenshot, and then we have the normal one. So there we go. That kind of concludes the screenshots here. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.